EFLN right now at 0025. The last time that we took a look at this stock is going to be over here on the 10th. Okay, so keep an eye on this one. Again, the last time that we looked at this is going to be on the 10th. If we let me go ahead and put a line in here as well. This is going to give you guys an exact idea. All right, so here's where the stock was down here, pretty close to that close. The close was at 0051. So it came up a little bit off of that close as well. We're 0041. Okay, 0041, and we looked at it 004. Okay, so really close to that. I said hold. In my opinion, we'll continue to pull back and fill gap at 0034. Again, this is going to be that gap that we were watching for right here. Right there in that circle is going to be that gap that we were watching for over here on the 10th. And look at the following day. Boom, you guys came back down, had that confirmation. And I said, we'll pull back to fill the gap, support 0034 and 0016. You guys came all the way down and hit the low on the 12th at 0014. All right, so that was, or 15, I'm sorry, 15. You guys came down to that low, went down to the 20-day simple moving average. You guys know how we do it. We watch those gaps. We watch these moving averages, especially the 20 and 30. The 10 is going to be a little bit. That's currently where you're at right now. You guys came down to that 20-day simple moving average, traded twice on it. And then on the 17th, you guys closed at 0019. And then today opened at 0019. Beautiful open, avoided all gaps today. Just wonderful. Really, really wonderful compared to the last time that we looked at it right there. When I told you that it had the, it was a very good possibility of it pulling back. You guys are breaking the 10-day simple moving average at 0051. Again, beautiful, beautiful move. The next resistance off of that's going to bring you guys up to 0034. In my opinion, there's a good chance that you can see that fairly quick coming off of that 0026 right now. So beautiful setup off of that move here, starting to make its next leg up. Definitely a good one to watch right now, guys. I mean, this is, like I said, the last time I looked at it wasn't really too positive of a story, but things have changed. And from the records here, looks like the last time that Joe went through this one with us is going to be on April 7th.
All right, so somebody over on YouTube said there was a press release, so I pulled it up. It's a, let's see, what is this? It's a research report over here on OTC Markets, and it was published today. I pulled it up really quick. It said stock prices for Efuel have been valued between 20 to 30 cents per share. This conservative valuation is done accordingly to the company appraisal, does not reflect considerations for any multiples. Furthermore, management deems that present assets value at $520 million is quite conservative given the unnamed minerals still to be unearthed in today's gold, minerals, and land values. Efuel's new asset bolster all company divisions in achieving their previously stated goals. Let's see, Efuel presently partnering with Euro American Finance Networks Incorporated, a private company held by the Stefanovic family. Together, they negotiated the purchase of additional assets, which presently generate annual revenues of $22 million. The value of the company and net income to the shareholders will increase in the future. The company has received approval for a $35 million loan. The actual funds are not received yet. However, upon receipt and final execution, the loan will be used primarily to develop construction projects, the Cherokee Trading Mall, including residential and mall properties. In addition, $1,250,000 of the loan is earmarked to acquire a gold mining company. So I mean, this is pretty much. I'll just finish it right here. So Efuel is presently partnering. All right, that's that. All right, so Efuel EFN Corporation has filed annual financial report and business activity records with the state of Florida. Financial and business activities over the 5 years have been audited by the state of Florida. The result of the vigorous audit elicited the approval of all records by the state of Florida. Let's see. All right, so this is great news for all stockholders. It says the Efuel EFN Corporation stocks are for long-term investors or institutions who would like to build investment fund. The Euro American Finance Network has undertaken interest to buy 50 million shares from the market. The investors who like to play as casino should not buy the stock, it states. All right, so that actual report is right over there on otcmarkets.com under filings and disclosure. You'll see it right there. I'm not seeing it over on our end with the news or anything, so that's there. If you want to continue doing more due diligence on the company, just go right over to the EFLN board. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. As always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over on that board. Let's see, their authorized shares as well as as of April 17th, 2017, it's 2,500,000,000. And the float is currently, well, actually the float, it's not up to date. It's showing as of June 9th, 2014. And on June 9th, 2014, it was 1,175,254,801 shares. So I'm not really sure what, transpired in the last 3 years. That's something you'd have to go into one of their quarterlies or the yearly to see. That's pretty much that. All you, Dave.
All right, so all the information that Joe just went over right here, you guys see it. Time and sales, great tool that I talk about quite often. You can see each time and price and volume of each trade right here, completely free over on investorshangout.com to stay up to date with all your stocks, not only for EFLN, but all your stocks with the time and sales. Completely free right now at 0027, and I said on the chart 0026 bouncing off the 20-day simple moving average at 0014. You guys are getting that bounce. Resistance at 2.5, 3, 4, and 4.3. Support at 14 and 11. Set up for the next move here, in my personal opinion. EFLN, if you follow this one, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. And join us for our next live show on investorshangout.com/live. If you follow this one, remember, get out there and share it. The more you share it, the more it's requested, the more we will continue to cover this one. EFLN. Watch for that bounce.